Open black lens bracket. Valuable set. Close black lens bracket. Please be aware, the seller Leah's shop is selling different item as we listed. Enjoy an inexpensive 6-pack high-quality cables in one package. 3FT is ideal for quick charge, easily bent into small circles to slide into your pocket. Open black lens bracket. Premium quality close black lens bracket iPhone charger with lightweight, heat-resistant connectors and highly durable construction for portability ensure complete safety and reliability. Open black lens bracket. Great performance close black lens bracket. Slim aluminum alloy connector with reversible design. Allows you to plug in any direction. Fit for all the phone cases. No need to take your case off. Open black lens bracket. Guarantee warranty close black lens bracket. Provide 1-year replacement or refund warranty. If you have any question about our products, please feel free to contact us. Open black lens bracket. Universal compatibility close black lens bracket. The iPhone charger is widely compatible with Lightning devices like iPhone the 13th of December 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, iPhone 11 11th Pro, 11 Pro Max, XR, XS, XS, Max, by 8 8s Plus, iPhone 7 7s Plus, 6 6s Plus, 6s, 6s Plus, 5 5ths S, SE. Top reviews from the United States. A cell phone user's ultimate stash. I need to have these on order at least twice a year. Great product with a quick delivery.